Finished that frog just the other day. Got the flags out for the 4th. And we're working on stuff. Repainting this clock. Repainting the fence. Got some zucchinis. And Lily's sunflowers are growing. This is just a few of them. They're coming along. Got some corn and some grapes and some marigolds in between the squash and the zucchini. My fence. Got my kitchen garden over there and the new chicken coop over there. Building a chicken tractor. Got things cleaned up over here. Yep. Getting things done. Doesn't look like it did when we moved in, that's for sure. But it's looking better. Just an update. Got some tomatoes over here. Some kale and lettuce and lamb's quarters and peas and a whole bunch of random tomato plants just popped up out of nowhere. Cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, oh my. And my coop. Gotta do some more planting. My recycled tire well. Got some mint in there, some sage, some oregano, some parsley, asparagus beans, all kinds of stuff. Gotta keep going.